Hi friends, meeting you after some days. Actually 2-3 days back I just met with a small road accident. Four-wheeler dashed my scooter and I fell on the road. Thoda stress fracture, slight fracture is there. Hairline crack, shoulder pe, collar. I couldn't write for 2-3 days. Today I have tried writing. I hope it is audible. You can, it is readable. Okay. So आस्ते आस्ते कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. In 2-3 days time, hope to get cured completely. So let us continue. We can't stop. Fracture or no fracture, थोड़ा 2-3 दिन rest लिया है. I'm okay now. We continue with inverse trigonometric functions. I have taken one sum, question number 7, exercise 1.2. Differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to tan inverse cosec x plus cot x. Cosec x plus cot x. ये डिफरेंशिएट करना है. तो उस दिन क्या देखा हम लोग ने? tan inverse के सामने we have to get tan. We saw a few formulae that day where tan inverse tan gets cancelled, sin inverse sin gets cancelled, cos inverse cos gets cancelled. तो अपना काम क्या है? अपना मेन काम है tan इनवर्स के सामने tan लाना. Convert this bracket anyhow into tan. So tan inverse tan will get cancelled. अभी tan कैसे लाना है? Naturally using basic trigonometry. Cosec x plus cot x should be converted into a small tan. कैसे tan लाना है? Cosec x is 1 upon sin x. Cot x is cos x upon sin x. Sin और cos में सिंपल कन्वर्जन कर लो दोस्तों. Take the LCM. Sin x is the common LCM. 1 plus cos x upon sin x. Right? So sin and cos में कन्वर्ट करने के बाद 1 plus cos x upon sin x आ गया. Now what? Again that formula is going to come every alternate day. और every alternate day हम लोग लिखने वाले हैं और देखने वाले हैं. What is 1 plus cos theta? कैसा याद रखना है? 1 plus cos 2 cos square theta by 2. अगर 1 plus cos आया तो सामने 2 cos square half the angle. If we get 1 minus cos 2 sin square theta by 2. Clear? We know that. And sin theta आ गया तो sin 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. If this gets converted into half angle, this also gets converted into half angle. So if you remember at the end of 11th standard, I had told you there will be two types of combo. Combo 1 और combo 2. ये combo 1 है. Combo 1 यानी क्या? 1 plus cos is combined with sin, or 1 minus cos is combined with sin. If you get 1 plus cos, 2 cos square theta by 2. If you get 1 minus cos, 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta is always 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Simple सी बात है. So this is combo 1. So because of that we get 1 plus cos x, 2 cos squared x by 2. Sin x, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. देखो यहाँ पे बाहर का 2 कैंसिल कर दो. One more thing is getting cancelled. What is that? See here. You have a square over here, or you have cos over here. So one cos gets cancelled, one square gets cancelled. Cos square का एक square में one cos has got cancelled. So one cos remains upon sin x by 2. So cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 cot x by 2. Clear? So tan inverse cot x by 2, all this has been converted into cot x by 2. अभी क्या करना है? Tan inverse cot will not get cancelled. Only thing is we want to get tan inverse tan. कहाँ पे लिखा है? tan inverse tan, वो लाना है. Now in certain problems you get tan inverse cot, like in this one. Now if you get tan inverse cot, remember cot should be converted into tan. Inverse is already there. Just convert cot into tan. Now you might be thinking simple है, cot is 1 upon tan, reciprocal, but 1 upon tan का यहाँ पे use नहीं होने वाला है, because we only want tan inverse tan. We don't want tan inverse 1 upon tan. So now which formula? So we go back to our 10th standard formulae. See, certain formula I have written. Cot theta, if you want to convert cot into tan, theta will be replaced by pi by 2 minus theta. If you want to convert sine into cos, theta will be replaced by pi by 2 minus theta. Cos into sine, theta will be replaced by pi by 2 minus theta, and so on. So अगर convert करना है, so you just have to replace x by 2 by pi by 2 minus x by 2. Then only cot will get converted into tan. In certain problems we may be required to convert cos into sine or sine into cos. So what do we do? Replace theta by pi by 2 minus theta. If you want to convert cot into tan, क्या करना है? Replace theta by pi by 2 minus theta. Same way, I want to convert this cot into tan, replace x by 2 by pi by 2 minus x by 2. Simple. Clear? So, finally we have got tan inverse tan. Now, tan inverse tan cancel each other. Sine inverse sine cancel each other. We have seen that. So just ignore that. Tan inverse tan, just ignore. What do you get? Pi is equal to pi by 2, sorry. Y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now all this has gone. सब चला गया. Tan inverse tan भी cancel हो गया है. You just get y is equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. d by dx of y differentiate with respect to x यानी क्या? सब जगह पे d by dx लिखो. d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus d by dx of x by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Now let us take the actual derivative. d by dx of y is dy by dx. Can you tell me what is d by dx of pi by 2? A few weeks back we had taken this. Pi by 2, 90 degrees is a constant. Derivative of 90 is 0. परसों देखा था, how do you find d by dx of x by 2? वन by 2 constant बाजू को लिखो, d by dx of x. हो गया आंसर. लेट अस सी नाउ. 0 minus half into 1. Derivative of x is 1. So 0 minus half. This is our final answer. Right? So we are doing this type where we want to get tan inverse tan, sin inverse sin, convert करके बाद में tan inverse tan cancel होता है, sin inverse sin cancel होता है. So this is how we converted this by using basic trigonometry combo 1. और combo 1 क्या है? 1 plus cos theta is present along with sin theta. दोनों के फॉर्मूले यूज कर लो, it gets converted. Okay? Try this out. Then we'll take the second example. Okay? चलो फिर अभी second problem. Next one from the textbook. Inverse trigonometric function का question 7, 7th one CET का समय. Y is equal to cot inverse sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x, exactly according to the earlier one. कॉम्बो वन सर्व किया है हमको, वापस कॉम्बो वन है. व्हाट इज द कॉम्बिनेशन? sin theta is present along with 1 plus cos theta, that is combo 1, or sin theta can be present with 1 minus cos theta, लेकिन sin और 1 plus और minus cos का combination, it is combination 1. So दो फॉर्मूले कौन से हैं? sin theta as used in the earlier case, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2, half the angle, right? So देखो अभी sin 3x 2 sin 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2, simple. 1 plus cos 3x 2 cos squared 3x by 2, 3x by 2 करना है. If it was 1 minus cos 3x 2 sin squared 3x by 2, right? कितने बार रिपीट किया है हम लोग ने? Many times, but we will keep on repeating throughout the year. Okay? So 2 और 2 कैंसिल हो गया, बाहर का 2 कैंसिल हो गया. You can't cancel this 2 because that is an angle. Okay. So now after doing this, one more thing gets cancelled. क्या कैंसिल होता है देखो, cos 3x by 2 एक गया, cos squared का एक रह गया, ऊपर से cos 3x by 2 has gone. So what remains now? sin 3x by 2 upon cos 3x by 2. डिनोमिनेटर में cos 3x by 2 है, from cos squared 1 cos has gone. Now sin 3x by 2 upon cos 3x by 2 is tan 3x by 2. Sin upon cos is tan. Now friends, you have got cot inverse tan. They can't cancel each other. In the earlier problem we had got tan inverse cot, वो भी कैंसिल नहीं हो रहे थे. सो whenever we get cot inverse tan और tan inverse cot, क्या करते हैं? Convert this inner trigonometric ratio into cot. Why? Because cot inverse is there. So after converting into cot, cot inverse cot कैंसिल होते हैं. So cot में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 10 स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूले कौन से है? अर्लियर सम में लिखा था, अभी वापस नहीं लिखने वाला हूं मैं. So just convert tan into cot and write pi by 2 minus theta. If you want to convert cot into tan or tan into cot, theta, that angle should be replaced by pi by 2 minus that angle. So when I convert tan into cot, I am going to write pi by 2 minus 3x by 2. 10 standard basic rule hai. Or even in the 11th standard, if you use the allied angles, you are going to get the same answer. Right? So this is how we convert tan into cot. What is the use? Cot inverse cot अब गया. Now you can ignore that. It gets cancelled. चला गया. Ignore cot inverse cot. What remains? Y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3x by 2. Simple. सब चला गया है. Just pi by 2 minus 3x by 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. चलो करो डेरिवेटिव. d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of pi by 2 minus 3 by 2 is a constant, d by dx of x. So dy by dx. In the earlier sum we had seen derivative of pi by 2 0, because 90 is a constant, pi by 2 is a constant, derivative of any constant is 0. 3 by 2 constant साइड में है, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x is 1. So 0 minus 3 by 2. Final answer is minus 3 by 2. Simple. If you remember, how do you find derivative of x by 2? Half constant aside d by dx of x. Half constant aside derivative of x is 1. Always constant बाजू को रखना है. In the same way, 3x by 2, 3 by 2 is a constant, keep it aside. d by dx of x is 1. but here 0 minus है, इसलिए final answer is minus 3/2. Finding it interesting? Hope so. You should be able to enjoy every sum that we are going to solve. So practice this for today, 2 sums for today. We will continue after a day or two. Okay, bye till then. See you.